All right, so look at this question. We're given that 1 over m minus 1 over n equals to 1 over p. And we are asked to make m the subject. You're asked to make m the subject. Now, what you need to do is, our objective is to make m the subject of the formula. That's to write m away from every alphabet that is here. So we just write m equals to whatever thing we end up having. Okay? Now, this is 1 over m minus 1 over n equals to 1 over p. Okay? So what we need to do is, the first thing to do is to take minus 1 over n to this part of the equation. Okay? So we have 1 over m is equals to, we have this already here, which is 1 over p. Then minus 1 over n goes to this side. Okay? It becomes plus 1 over n. Okay? So let's make this a single fraction. How do we do that? So what we just need to do is to get the LCM of p and n, which is pn. When pn divides p, you have n. N times 1 is n, plus pn divides n gives you p. P times 1 is p. So this is equals to 1 over m. But you want to get just m. You want m alone, okay? So what you need to do is to take the reciprocal, like turn this upside down, okay? Turn it upside down. So if you turn this upside down, you're going to have m over 1, which is equals to, turn this upside down, you're going to have pn over m plus p. Okay, so therefore, m is equals to pn all over m plus p. So this is the solution to what we are looking for. Okay, so we are asked to make m the subject, and this is m. M is equals to pn over n plus p. I hope this is clear. So do well to like, comment cleared in the comment section. Okay, follow for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.